We got it.
Get all the way back. Chad, get the weed mat over.
Look at the size of this weed mat.
Oh, look at this.
These things are, it's like...
Are you getting me?
Yeah. And this is like trout fishing at the fair when you're a kid. Look at all these things down here.
This is our what fish?
38th fish.
Pliers, please. Pliers.
38th fish.
Quickly, honey.
Where are they?
I don't know.
Who has the pliers?
I think that this...
The pliers?
No,
They're right there.
I think this fish needs an acrobatic finish too.
Yeah. This one's gonna have an acrobatic
Finish.
Whoa, baby. Whoa.
Wow, look at this.
Whoa. Come on now. Whoa. Okay.
Joel versus the fish. So far the fish has got the better. I think Joel's got him. Get him? Ah, there you go. Something came out of his mouth. Let's go ahead and do an acrobatic finish for the fish.
All right, here we go. The triple Lindy. 1, 2, 3.
Woohoo!
Woo! Look at him.
He's going to go back there with his friend and all the other dolphins all over this weed mat, which would cost 35 of.
How many are we at? 30?
And this entire cooler full of them here.